as you saw by the title. In today's video, I'll be talking about the differences between Cheat Engine and Bit Slicer on macOS specifically. They are more different than you think. They both work on macOS, but there are many differences of how they work. So be ready to be amazed. Alright, let's get started. Both tools allow you to scan and edit memory, and both can be used on macOS in different ways. However, the way they operate, the features they offer, their compatibility with modern versions of macOS, and the overall experience they provide are quite different. Let's first talk about Bit Slicer. It is built specifically for macOS. Supports modern versions of macOS, including Apple Silicon. Great for finding and changing values like health, money, ammo, and XP. Uses macOS debugging API, so it feels like a native Mac application. Bit Slicer works on M1, M2, M3, and M4 MacBooks. Bit Slicer requires macOS 11.0 or later stated on the official GitHub page. Bit Slicer focuses on what most people actually want. Find health, find money, freeze values, change ammo, scan unknown values. For beginners, that's a major advantage. Now let's talk about Cheat Engine. Cheat Engine is a tool designed to help you with modifying single-player games without internet connection so you can make them harder or easier depending on your preference, but also contains other useful tools to help debugging games and even normal applications, and helps you protect your system by letting you inspect memory modifications by backdoors and even contains some ways to unhide them from conventional means. It comes with a memory scanner to quickly scan for variables used within a game and allow you to change them, but it also comes with a debugger, disassembler, assembler, speed hack, trainer maker, direct 3D manipulation tools, system inspection tools, and more. However, it hasn't kept pace with modern macOS security changes, Apple's transition to Apple Silicon, and newer operating system versions. Most tutorials you'll find are for Windows, not modern MacBooks. Its debugger only works for Intel games, not modern Silicon apps. Sometimes both Cheat Engine and Bit Slicer require you to disable SIP protection. SIP is a macOS security feature that stops even users with administrator privileges from doing certain things that could compromise the operating system. For memory editing, it's one of the main reasons macOS is harder to work with than Windows.